ready to unlock the savory goodness hidden within your Chipotle gift card. First, grab your laptop, tablet, or phone and head over to the official Chipotle website. You can find a direct link to their gift card section in the description below. Once you're on the gift card page, look for the Activate Gift Card section. You'll need to carefully enter your 16-digit gift card number, which is usually located on the back of your physical card or within the email, if it's a digital card. Next, find the access code. This is typically a 4-digit code also found on the back of the card, often concealed under a scratch-off area. If you have a digital gift card, it will be in the email you receive. Type this code in the access code field. After entering both the card number and access code, double-check that you've entered everything correctly to avoid any issues. Then, click the Submit or Activate button. You should immediately see a confirmation message indicating that your gift card has been successfully activated. The message will often show your gift card balance. You're now ready to use your gift card online, through the Chipotle app, or in person at any Chipotle restaurant. Enjoy your favorite burritos, bowls, and salads. And that's all there is to it. Activating your Chipotle gift card is quick and easy using these simple, step-by-step instructions so you can satisfy your Chipotle cravings. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy eating!